Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 07 of the video lecture series Circle. So in the previous fun classes from 1 to 6 we have covered each and every concept from the topic circle. So if you have not seen all those concepts, please go through that because these questions you cannot solve if you have not seen those videos. So please go through those videos and then come back to this video. So let's see what are the important questions we have here. So the first question is the lines 5x minus 12y minus 5 equals to 0 and 10x minus 24y plus 3 equals to 0 are tangents to the same circle. Okay, then what is its diameter is? So see what type of lines they have given. It is a 5x minus 12y minus 5 equals to 0 and 10x minus 24y plus 3 equals to 0. So what do you think what type of lines these are? So if I divide this second line by 2, I'll get 5x minus 12y plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So if you observe these two lines are parallel to each other. See here, what is the case they have given? Suppose this is a circle and this is one tangent and this is another tangent parallel to the first tangent. Okay, so this is a tangent T1 and it is tangent T2. So these two tangents are parallel to each other. Then what is the diameter of the circle? So how you will find out the diameter of this circle? This is nothing but the diameter. So if you find the distance between these two lines, that will be nothing but the diameter of the circle. Okay, and in the straight lines we have already seen how to find out the distance between the parallel lines. So the distance between parallel lines is nothing but mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root of, so it is 3 by 2 minus plus 5 divided by root of a square plus b square, that is 25 plus 144. So which is nothing but mod of it is 13 by 2 divided by a root 13, a root 116 13, so it's cancel. So answer is what? D is what? It is the 1 by 2. So what is the diameter of this circle is? It is very easy. D is 1 by 2. Isn't it so simple? So what concept or what type of question it is if the parallel lines are tangent to the same circle, then the diameter is nothing but the distance between those two lines. ओके अभी यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस पूछेगा, रेडियस पूछेगा और दे विल आस्क फॉर द सर्कमफ्रेंस और दे विल आस्क फॉर द एरिया ऑफ दिस सर्कल. ओके, एक बार अगर डायमीटर मिल गया तो वी कैन फाइंड आउट एनीथिंग. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. द रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू, ओके, द रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 6,2 and the two of whose diameters are x plus y equals to 6 and x plus 2y equals to 4 is. देखो भाई पिक्चर निकालो इधर फिगर. So this is one circle they have given and this circle is passing through, suppose it is 6,2 they have given and the two diameters are given. Suppose these are the two diameters are given and you know that the diameters intersect at center. Diameter always intersect at center, isn't it? So what to do now? So if you know these coordinates of this point is already given. What is this length then? This is nothing but the radius. Okay, so let's find out the intersection point of these two lines. In the straight line also I have given you how to find out the simultaneous equation का intersection point कैसा निकालते. So x plus y you take minus 6 equals to 0 and you take x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So x के लिए क्या होगा and y के लिए क्या होगा? So x के लिए it's nothing but it is 2 minus 1 is 1 and यहाँ पे भी 1 आएगा. So for x you remove this x, so you will have minus 4 plus 12 which is 8 and for y you will have it is minus 4 plus 6 it is 2 and जो भी आंसर आएगा y का उसका माइनस कर दो. So intersection point is what? It is 8 comma minus 2. Okay, then find out the radius. Radius is nothing but simply the distance between these 2 points. So distance formula से क्या होगा? It is अंडर द रूट ऑफ x2 माइनस x1, 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस y2 माइनस y1 -2 माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर इज 16. So what is your answer is root 20 is my answer. Root 20 is my answer. Option D is correct. Okay, so concept is what type of question it is. If the diameters of the circle are given, then they intersect at the center of the circle. Okay, let's see the next one. So what this question is saying, what is the equation to the circle which touches both the axes and has a center on the line x plus y is equals to 4. We already know that in one of my previous fun class I have already given you, if circle is touching both the axes, then what is condition is sir, g square is equals to f square. But do we really need this g square equals to f square in this question? So let's see. The next sentence they have given is the center is lying on this line, x plus y is equals to 4. Now check which circle ka center is satisfying this equation. If center is lying on this equation, then the center should satisfy that equation. So what is the center coordinates for the first option? So it is minus g comma minus f. So it is 2 comma minus 2. So 2 comma minus 2, if I substitute here in this equation, I am getting 0. So it is 2 minus 2, that is 0. But what I want is I want a 4. So check for the second option. So C coordinates are what? It is a 2 comma 2. So whether this C 2 comma 2 is satisfying this equation? Yes. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes, it is satisfying. It is not. So let's check the next one. So center coordinates are what? It is a minus 2 comma 2. It is also not satisfying. What about this? It is C is what? It is minus 2 comma minus 2. So it is equals to minus 4, which is not correct one. So which option is satisfying the given condition is option B. See boss, we are not using anything regarding this g square equals to f square. What we have used is बुद्धि, common sense हम लोगों ने use किया है. If center is lying on this line, then it should satisfy this equation. So then what we have done, we have found the center of all these 4 equations and we have just substituted in this x plus y equals to 4 and just checked which option is satisfying. इतना ही किया, ठीक है, वेरी गुड भाई, बहुत इजी है ये सब. नेक्स्ट वन, द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, अरे सॉरी, द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कम सर्कल पूछा. ओके, द इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कम सर्कल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल formed by the lines x equals to 0, y equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y equals to 5 is what? Okay, so first draw the figure. It is x equals to 0, that is y axis, y is equals to 0, that is x axis, and it is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. So roughly you should understand which type of line it is. So slope is negative, so this is of this kind of line. ये ऐसा line हो सकता है, ठीक है. नाउ चेक सर्कम सर्कल मीन्स व्हाट, ये वाला सर्कल बोल रहे वो. द इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कम सर्कल विच इज पासिंग थ्रू द 3 कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस गिवन ट्रायंगल. सो ये 2 एंड ये 3. ओके, सो टेल मी व्हाट आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज 0, 0. व्हाट अबाउट दिस, व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज, इफ आई सब्स्टिट्यूट x is equals to 0 in this equation, what I will get is x equals to 0 means y is equals to, it is 5 by 3. So it is 0 comma, sorry, it is 5 by 3 comma 0. Okay, so if I substitute x equals to 0 means this point is what, it is 0 comma 5 by 3. What about this, if here you substitute y is equals to 0, so you will get 5 by 2 comma 0. Okay, means what, your circle is passing through these 3 points 0 0, 5 by 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 5 by 3. That's it. अभी यूज करो बुद्धि तुम्हारा. तो बुद्धि क्या बोलता है, इफ द सर्कल इज पासिंग थ्रू दीज 3 points, then these 3 points should satisfy the equation of circle. Let's check, substitute 0 comma 0. So if I substitute 0 comma 0, see ये 0 हो गया, ये 0 हो गया, means what, this whole part becomes 0. 5 into 3 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0 means 5 into 0 0. Yes, it is getting satisfied. Next, 0 plus 0 minus 0 माइनस जीरो प्लस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इज इट ट्रू? नो, दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. ये नहीं हो रहा है सेटिस्फाई. चेक ऑप्शन सी. 0 0 0 0 ये -5 है, इक्वल्स टू 0 है क्या? नहीं है. इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. चेक लास्ट वन. सो इट इज 6 इंटू ये 0 0. यस, ओके. सो 6 इंटू 0 इज 0 minus 5 into 0 plus 0 is 0, so 5 into 0 is 0. Yes, it is also satisfying. Means what? Out of these 4 ये दो तो ऑप्शन भाई चले गए. अभी बाकी कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए और ऑप्शन डी, ये दोनों में से एक ऑप्शन हो सकता है. 50-50 आ गया भाई. नाउ लेट्स चेक द ऑप्शन ए एंड ऑप्शन डी फॉर अनदर रिमेनिंग 2 points. Okay, I hope you are understanding this approach. This is the simplest and the effective way to solve this type of questions. Now let's substitute 5/2, 0. So ले लो भाई इसको यहाँ पे नीचे, ठीक है, मैदान में ले लो इसको. So 6 इंटू 5/2 का स्क्वायर क्या है? एक्स स्क्वायर है ना. So 5/2 इज मेजर 25/4 प्लस 0 प्लस 5 इंटू इट इज 3 इंटू 5/2 plus, sorry, it is minus 2 0 anything, it is 0, so it should be equals to 0 I should get. Okay, let's check. So it is 6 into, so is 6 into करने के बजाय, okay, 6 into 25/4 plus 5 into 15/2. देखो भाई यहाँ पे भी प्लस है, यहाँ पे भी प्लस है, सो ये इक्वल्स टू 0 आ सकता है क्या? नेवर. दिस कैनॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 0, नेवर. लेट्स चेक ऑप्शन डी. अभी ऑप्शन डी, अगर this is wrong then you should have this option D correct, because भाई तीनों भी गलत है ना. So let's check and verify. So it is 6 into 25/4 minus 5 into, okay, what is this is 15/2, 25. okay, so ये गया भाई 3 पे और ये गया भाई 2 पे, 25 3 75/2 minus 75/2. See, I am getting 75/2 minus 75/2. Yes, so that's why my option D is correct. So have you used any formula here? Have you used any बहुत बड़ा concept? नहीं. What we have used is बुद्धि. That's it. It's very very simple. So what I am trying to tell you here in this question is, if you have these coordinates and if it is passing through, if it is circle is passing through these points, then directly substitution method will work. Okay, very good. Let's see the next one. Consider the following statements in respect of circles. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equals to 0 and x square plus y square equals to 1. The radius of the first circle is twice that of the second circle. Both the circles pass through the origin. So I request you, please pause this video and let's try to solve this question. Okay, okay, ठीक है. I hope you have solved this and let's check the answer now. फर्स्ट क्या बोल रहा है? द रेडियस ऑफ द फर्स्ट सर्कल निकालो. रेडियस ऑफ द फर्स्ट सर्कल निकालो. सो इट इज आर इज इक्वल्स टू रूट ऑफ जी स्क्वायर. जी इज व्हाट? इट इज 1. जी स्क्वायर इज 1 प्लस एफ स्क्वायर इज अगेन 1. सी है क्या इसमें? नहीं है, -0, सो इट इज √2. व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सेकेंड सर्कल? इज इट इज R1 है, ये R2 विच इज 1. सो इज दिस √2 इज ट्वाइस 1? नो. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. What about the second statement? Both the circles passes through origin. First circle pass through origin है क्या? Yes, because C is equals to 0. That's why the first circle is passing through origin. What about the second? साहब इसका origin, sorry, इसका जो circle है ना वो origin पे है. This is what? This is center radius form where the center is lying on the origin. That's why this circle cannot pass through origin. Okay. Means what? Both the circles pass through origin. This statement is also wrong. Trust me, most of the students have ticked this option. This ये second statement उन्होंने बराबर बोला है, but यार ये ना थोड़ा confusing है. इसका जो center है ना वो origin पे है. Okay, so what is your correct answer? Is option number D. Neither one, neither nor two. The circle touches. Okay, the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0 touches which of the following? So if you see, यहाँ पे g कितना है? g is nothing but -2. f is what? It is +2. So what is g square is equals to 4? What is f square is equals to 4? So if g square equals to 4 g square equals to f square, then what you say? भाई आपका सर्कल ना दोनों एक्सिस को टच कर रहा है। अरे बहुत सिंपल है, देखो भाई दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस ईयर में आ चुके हैं। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन। द इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट्स टू द सर्कल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 4y माइनस 12 इक्वल्स टू 0 विच आर पैरेलल टू द लाइन 4x प्लस 3y प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू 0 आर। ओके, क्या क्या दिया है? एक इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल दिया है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, the line also they have given 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now our desired tangents are parallel to this equation, means what will be the form of equation? इसका parallel equation का parallel line का equation कैसा होता है? This we have already discussed in the straight lines. 4x plus 3y plus lambda is equals to 0. Okay, slopes are same रहेगा ना, so 4x plus 3y minus 4 by 3 and minus 4 by 3 slopes are same, that's why the lines are parallel. Okay, now again I have given you one general condition for the line to become a tangent. So if this is a circle and if it is a tangent, then the distance of the tangent from the origin is equals to r radius. So find out the center coordinates of this circle. So it is nothing but 3 comma minus 2. What is the radius of this circle? It is r is equals to root of, it is 9 plus 4 minus minus plus 12, so which is nothing but root of, ये कितना आ गया भाई? ये आ गया 21 25. So radius आ गया 5. Radius is 5 means what? The distance of this line from the origin, that is from the center is equals to 5. You already know what is the distance formula. How to find the distance of a line from the point? So this distance d is equals to root of, just substitute these coordinates in this equation of line. So this equation is what? It is nothing but this 4x plus 3y plus lambda equals to 0. This is 4x plus 3y plus lambda equals to 0. This is the equation of line we are finding. Okay, so just substitute the value of coordinates of center. So it is 4 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 plus lambda divided by, yes, what here is root of 4 square is 16 plus 9, it is equals to what? How much? It is equals to 5. Okay, so this is equals to 12 minus 6 plus lambda divided by, ये आ गया भाई 5, it is mod में रहेगा, it is 5. So it is 12 minus 6 is 6 plus lambda equals to divided by 5 equals to 5. So if you remove this modulus value, ये mod में रहेगा. If you remove this modulus value, what you will get? 6 plus lambda by 5 is equals to plus or minus 5. So 6 plus lambda is equals to plus or minus 25. So lambda कितना गया फिर? So lambda is equals to what? It is plus or minus 25 minus 6. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट? लैम्डा की कितने वैल्यूज है अपने पास? 2 वैल्यूज है. सो लैम्डा 1 इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? इट इज 25 माइनस 6 एंड लैम्डा 2 इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? इट इज माइनस 25 माइनस 6. सो इट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 31 एंड दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 19. चेक विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. इजंट इट सो सिंपल? कंसेप्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लेंथी है, but if you have concept and if you have lot of practice, then this question can also be solved in just 60 seconds. मजा आ रहा है? आएगा यार. ठीक है, देखते भाई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है. मजे लेके पढ़ना है, बोर नहीं होना है. The equation of a circle which touches the axis at a distance 5 from the origin, okay, is y square plus x square minus 2ax minus 2ay plus a square. Okay, ये अल्फा है क्या? Okay, what is the value of alpha? Okay, what they have given is the equation of a circle which touches, see ये, okay, y axis x axis, your circle is touching these two axes एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 5 फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन बोला है. ओके ये ओरिजिन से, सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज 5, दिस डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो 5. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट इज द सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेट इज 5,5. Okay, so if center is 5,5, can you give me what is the equation of this type of circle is? Equation of this type of circle is, it is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, it is equals to r square. What is r? This is nothing but r, which is nothing but 25. Okay, so open this, x minus 5 whole square, so it is x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 is equals to 25. 25 cancels, what is remaining is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equals to 0. So just compare this equation with this equation, so and give the value of alpha. ये अल्फा का वैल्यू है. ओके, सो हियर -2 अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू -10, सो अल्फा कितना क्या है, अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू 5. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? ऑप्शन नंबर बी. अगेन यू कैन सी, क्रॉस वेरीफाई दिस, अल्फा स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट 25, सो अल्फा इज व्हाट, इट इज 5 ओनली. इट्स वेरी इजी यार, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस कर लो, ये ना एकदम बढ़िया से, बहुत आसान टॉपिक है. Let's see the next one. The center of a circle x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to 9. Okay, lies on the straight line x equals to y. देखो भाई, if you have understood the previous questions, then you will directly use this substitution method. Okay, so let's continue. And the circle touches the circle x square plus y square equals to 1 externally. Externally क्या कर रहा है? टच कर रहा है. मीन्स व्हाट यू हैव इज c1 c2 इज इक्वल्स टू r1 प्लस r2. दिस इज द केस यू हैव. एक्सटर्नली टचिंग मीन्स व्हाट, ये एक सर्कल रहेगा एंड दिस इज अनदर सर्कल. दिस इज नथिंग बट द एक्सटर्नल टचिंग केस. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा कॉमा बीटा इज. So if you read the first sentence, you will understand the center is lying on the line x equals to y, and what are the coordinate of the center for this circle? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to 9. So what are the center coordinates is, c is nothing but alpha comma beta, and this alpha comma beta is lying on the straight line x equals to y, means definitely we have alpha is equals to beta. This is the first condition we get, alpha equals to beta. Okay, so again tell me what is the radius of this circle. So r1 is equals to, ये r square रहता है, so radius of this circle is 3. Okay, what is the radius of the second circle is 1, r2 रहेगा भाई 1. So what they have given is c1 c2, this condition we know, c1 c2 is equals to r1 plus r2 is 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Okay, now what is this c1 c2? It is the distance between the centers of two circle. एक सर्कल का तो कोऑर्डिनेट पता है, which is alpha comma beta. This is alpha comma beta. What are the coordinates of center of this second circle? It is 0 comma 0 by, ये रहेगा 0 comma 0. So find the distance between these 2 points. It is nothing but root of alpha square plus beta square. The distance between these two, root of alpha square plus beta square, it is equals to 4 from this. Okay, and you know alpha and beta are same, so what you can say is alpha square plus alpha square equals to 4. Then it is root of 2 alpha square equals to 4, which is nothing but alpha root 2 equals to 4. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको कैसा सिंप्लीफाई करोगे. ओके, इधर ही क्या कर लो आप, स्क्वेयरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड कर दो. यहाँ पे स्क्वेयरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, व्हाट यू विल गेट इज, स्क्वेयरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड यू विल गेट 2 अल्फा स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 16. सो अल्फा स्क्वायर आ गया 8. सो अल्फा कितना आ गया भाई, अल्फा बिकम्स प्लस और माइनस रूट 8, विच इज नथिंग बट प्लस और माइनस 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the answer. So alpha and beta are what, plus or minus 2 root 2. So which option is correct? Option number A. Okay, so just we have used this concept, and this concept I have already discussed in detail with shortcut tricks and tips in my previous fun class. Okay, please go through that video, you will understand this. That's it. Here we end the all important questions. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like button. Okay, if you have any other doubts, comment section में लिखो, sir, how to solve this question, that question, what is the concept behind XYZ question. Okay, share this video with your friends, family, juniors and seniors, and no doubt you are going to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss the next upcoming video, which is the previous year question paper analysis. Okay, so till the time, just do practice, have fun with maths. Thank you.